Howdy YouTubers. Here's a quick tutorial on how to change your battery in your Nissan key fob. I'm going to make things as simple as possible. All you need is a little straight razor here. On the bottom part of here, where the key fob, the key latch goes in, you just stick this right in there. Okay, squeeze it in and just pop it open. Once you pop it open, battery's right here. You don't have to mess with any of that. The positive side is facing down. You just pop this in here, pop it out. You need a battery. It's a CR2032. Once you get that battery, again, positive side is facing down. Okay, this way. Bam. Simple as that, done. Razor blade, CR2032 battery, and you got a new battery installed. Done.